In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parameter control to sort by dimension in Tableau, all within just 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your data visualizations with more interactivity, this is a fantastic way to allow users to sort information by different dimensions on demand. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to launch the Tableau app on your device. Once you're inside Tableau, navigate to your worksheet where you want to implement this functionality. With your worksheet open, locate the drop-down menu at the top of the interface. Click on it, and from the options presented, select Create Parameter. This is where we'll start crafting our dynamic sorting tool. When the Create Parameter dialog box appears, you'll want to name it Sort By. For the data type, ensure that you select String. This is crucial as it lets us input categories like names and regions rather than numerical data. Moving on, you'll see a section labeled Allowable Values. Here, you should choose List. This configuration will enable us to define the exact options users will be able to sort by. Now let's delve into the list values. In the list values section, type in the specific dimensions you want your data to be sortable by: product name, category, subcategory, and region. These are just examples, and you can customize these dimensions to suit your dataset and analytical needs. Once you've input these values, click OK to finalize the parameter setup. Next up, head over to the Analysis tab and choose Create Calculated Field from the drop-down that appears. We're going to give this calculated field a name, so call it Sort by Dimension. This calculated field is where the magic happens. It directs Tableau to sort according to the selected parameter. Now it's time to type in the query for this field, which corresponds with your list values. After doing so, hit OK. Our next step is to arrange our data dimensions on the rows shelf. Drag your product name, subcategory, category, and region onto the rows shelf from your data pane. This action lays the groundwork for the dynamic sorting functionality. Now, find the Sort By parameter in the data pane. Right-click it and select Show Parameter. This will turn on the parameter control that users will interact with on your dashboard or report. Drag the Sort By dimension to the rows shelf, making sure it's positioned at the very front. This placement ensures that the ordering of your data view will respond to the parameter selection. To implement the sorting, click on the drop-down menu next to your place dimensions in the rows shelf and select Sort. From the options, choose Alphabetic under the Sort By category and click OK to apply the changes. Finally, revisit the drop-down, but this time select Show Header to ensure your viewers can engage with the sort functionality on the dashboard intuitively. And there you have it. You've successfully created a parameter control to dynamically sort dimensions in Tableau, making your visualizations not only informative but also interactive. Thanks for joining me today, and happy data analyzing.